welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Louis Vuitton handbags that are in the $1,000 range. I know there's videos out there that are like under $1,000, but since Louis Vuitton has done 2 price increases, it's kind of hard to find handbags that are under that $1,000, but these handbags that I'm sharing with you today are a little bit above $1,000, not drastically, you know, I'm not doing like $1,800, like I'm doing a little, like $100 or more, a little more, for each handbag. So yeah, I thought I would do brand by brand. So if there is another luxury brand that you want me to do, please leave them down in the comments. But yeah, that is today's video. I'm super excited. If you're interested and want to know more, then you've come to the right place, and just keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Marie Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, pretty much all things luxury. So if you're obsessed like I am, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. As I said before, it was kind of fun to see what handbags that are under $1,000 for Louis Vuitton, because they recently did 2 price increases. So it was fun, but it was also tough because there's very few options now that Louis Vuitton has to offer, and the bags that are under $1,000 are like slightly over $1,000, like $100 more, but that is literally all that I could find. But I hope it still helps you guys. So my number 1 bag that I found that was under $1,000 was the Nano Speedy. So the Nano Speedy is an iconic bag. Everyone wants that bag. It is so cute and it's very hard to find. It's very rare. I know during this whole pandemic, it did pop up on the website a few times, and people got lucky, but I tried to hunt down that bag just to see what it was all about. I wasn't sure if it was going to fit my body frame. I'm more of a curvy kind of girl, so I just wanted to see what it was about. I wanted to see what kind, like what fits in there, because it is a tiny bag. So it is super cute, hard to find, but the Nano Speedy retails for, and I'm looking down at my own notes, but the Nano Speedy retails for $1,180, which isn't that bad for a handbag. And I've watched reviews and what's in my bags for the handbag, and you could fit actually quite a lot. So yeah, it's super cute and I love it, and I definitely want to see if I can find it in store somewhere just to try it on and see how I like it. But yeah, that is my number 1 handbag that I found that was slightly over $1,000, but still in that $1,000 range. By the way, guys, I will post pictures on the screen somewhere so you guys know exactly what kind of handbag that I'm talking about. But my second handbags, and I might not say this right, but is the Felicie Pochette. That handbag is really cute. It is another tiny handbag, but it's a durable kind of handbag, which I like. But and it comes with 2 inserts, I believe. I think it comes with like a coin pouch and then a card holder, which is really neat for that price. And the Felicie Pochette retails for $1,130, which is such a steal, honestly, because you get the card holder and the coin pouch and then the handbag. So that is a really great price. And the chain is, the strap I meant, is all chain, which is really pretty. They come in a bunch of different leathers, the empreinte, the what's it called? I should know these. The monogram canvas and the damier band, of course, but it also comes in the empreinte, and then I have to look now. I'm so sorry, guys. It also comes in the epi leather with a bunch of different colors that you can get. So you can get it either in the galette color, poppy, the black, the rose ballerine, and the cherry berry. So this is what they look like. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, those are all the colors that you can get. Now you can see. But yeah, a lot of different color options, which is really nice. And then for you can also get it in the Renee leather, which is really pretty. I feel like I would get it honestly in the Renee leather because it's like a shiny kind of leather and it's really pretty. And I feel like for such a small bag, for a mini bag at least, I would want like a pop of color just to like bring out the outfit, but also have the attention on the bag more. And plus I feel like for me personally, since I'm a curvy girl, I like to have smaller bags that are a pop of color so it's more noticeable on my body frame. I don't want a mini bag to be lost on my body frame. So yeah, I feel like a pop of color would be really nice to add to an outfit. So the different colors you can also get in here on the Vernis leather one is the metallic champagne, rose ballerine, cherry, magneta, and amaranth. I really don't know, but here are all the different colors, which is really nice. And then of course the monogram canvas, the damier ben, and then also the empreinte, which again is the same kind of colors for the Vernis and the epi leather. And that is more like of a soft kind of leather, so it's really pretty. But yeah, that I feel like for those handbags, they're a really great price point, and of course with the different leathers, they're different prices. I can actually tell you them. I don't know why I didn't before, but I will tell you the prices for the Vernis and the epi leathers. So let's go back. Epi leather cost $1,250, which isn't that bad. And then for the Vernis leather, it is again $1,250. Oh, I guess the different leathers don't cost different. That's good. And then the empreinte, let's see how much. Okay, the empreinte is a little more expensive, and it's $1,370, which I mean isn't that bad. It's still in the $1,000 price range. But yeah, there's a lot of options for this bag, so there's something for everyone. So I love how I found that, and I like made me notice them more because I really don't see them around. And I know the monogram canvas is sold out online. I don't know if you can find it in stores, but yeah, that was the second handbag that I found that was in the $1,000 range. Okay, so for my third handbag that I found was the Nano Noe. Yeah, another handbag that is really rare. A lot of people love it. It's super cute. It has like a little tie where you could stitch the bag, and it's made out of the Pochette leather, and it's so pretty and really nice. The one thing that I do have to say though is for the Nano Speedy and for, I don't know if the Nano Noe has an adjustable strap, but I know for a fact that the Speedy Nano does not have an adjustable strap. So that's why I'm kind of like a little afraid for it, because I love my straps to be adjustable, to have that option to make it longer or shorter. And I feel like having an adjustable strap makes it kind of for everyone and for every size. So that is another thing that I'm really worried about. If I were to come across the Nano Speedy, I would prefer seeing it in store so I could see if it fits me and the length of the strap pretty much. But yeah, the Nano Noe, I've had quite a few questions about it, what I think about it. I think it's really cute, but again, I have to see it in store. I have to see what I can actually fit in there, how it fits on my body frame, and I do think it's really cute, and it's something to look into more, definitely for me. But for now, I can't find it anywhere. I haven't seen it in store ever, I don't think. No, I haven't seen it in store. So maybe I could find it when I go to New York, because I know the one on 5th Avenue, they pretty much have everything. Because I have an essay there that I recently went, like, before this whole quarantine. I went to New York City and I found an essay there that's really nice, and I keep texting her like, do you have this item, do you have this item, because I'm going there in August. So they pretty much have everything, which is really great. And yeah, I think she's gonna be my like go-to essay in my area, but if I can't find something through her, I'm gonna have to go through my LA essay. They're both really nice and really patient with me, because I just asked so many questions. But yeah, anyway, yeah, that is the third handbag that I found that was in the $1,000 range. So okay, so for my last handbag that I found that was in the $1,000 range was the double zip pochette, which is a new release, I believe. I've seen that bag a couple times on Instagram. It is super cute and it looks very functional. I haven't seen it yet in person because of where we are in life right now, but I would like to see it. I would like to see the size of it, because it looks like a pretty neat bag, and I like how it has the different pouches for organization, because I like that in a handbag. I like to be organized, have everything in a place. But I'm getting off topic, but I really think that bag is super pretty. I'll put a couple pictures up on the screen of it. And yeah, that bag costs $1,180, which isn't bad for what you get. And I believe that handbag has an adjustable strap, but don't come for me if I'm wrong. And it comes in like the jumbo LV logo, which is really pretty, and it features a little bit of that reverse monogram, which is really pretty. But overall, I would like to see and check that out when I go to New York, see the size and if the strap is gonna fit me nicely and all that. But of course, I'll bring you guys along with me when I go to New York. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a little change of scenery I've been dying for. Of course, at the same time gonna be safe and be precautious. But that is all the handbags that I found for you guys. I hope this little video was helpful for you guys that are looking for handbags that are in the $1,000 range, not crazy. And I'm surprised that like the price, I could find bags that are in the $1,000 range since LV did 2 price increases, and I've heard there's a third coming, but I don't know when. But hopefully not before I go to New York, because I plan on doing a purchase. That would suck, and I'm waiting to get it in New York because I want the experience, and I'm all about like the in-store purchase kind of thing. So hopefully, fingers crossed that the price increase isn't before then. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about these handbags or any further brands that you want me to do, please leave them down in the comments, or you can message me on Instagram. Please go follow me on Instagram. I'm currently doing a giveaway. I'm giving away the Louis Vuitton card holder in the monogram canvas, a very rare piece. I don't own one myself, but I wish I did, and you guys are so lucky that you have the chance to win this. But yeah, I'm super excited for this giveaway. It is my second giveaway so far, and I'm almost at 1,000 followers on Instagram. I think I'm at like 994 followers. But if you aren't already following me on Instagram, please go follow me so I can hit that milestone. I'm super excited. I've come a long way. And I'm just loving doing YouTube and doing Instagram. I've been really active on Instagram as well, trying to post every single day, trying my best. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.